Hi, this is Gopi Krishna, UR16CS075, and this is C++ lab experiment number 2, the use of control statements. Now we start a program with the basic lines hash include IOStream using namespace and std. Then we open a main function int main. Now we're using int because the main function is returning an integer value. We got cout statement, enter the number. This is to ask an input from the user, and initialize an integer variable x, wherein the input from the user is stored. We initialize two more integer variables, sum and remainder. We initialize sum is equal to 1 and remainder is equal to 0. Now we use a while loop. The condition in the while loop is x greater than 0. That is, the input taken from the user should be greater than 0. Rem, the integer value variable rem is equal to x mod 10. Now the model separator gives the remainder, and sum is equal to sum into rem, and then x is equal to x divided by 10. Now the x divided by 10 gives the quotient. Now this loop will be executed until the value of x is greater than 0. Then we give the cout statement. The product of the digits is sum, and the answer is stored in sum. Now let's check the output for this program. Suppose we enter the number 865. The product of digit is 240. Let's check for another input. Enter the number 256. The product of digit is 60. As the code runs successfully. Now the second program that I'll be demonstrating is the power of a number, using to find the exponential power of an exponential term of a number. Then we start the program with the basic lines hash include IOStream using namespace std. Then we open up the main function int main. I'm using int because the main function is returning an integer value. Now we give out the cout statement, enter the digit int x. Here we ask the base digit from the user. Then we give out cout statement, enter the exponential term, and we store it in the integer y. Now we initialize our integer variable total, where the starting value of total is equal to 1. We initialize another integer variable I. Now we use a for loop. For I is equal to 1, I less than equal to y, and I plus plus. This I is equal to 1 is the base condition, I less than equal to y is the checking condition, and I plus plus is the increment condition. Now I less than equal to y here is the exponential term. Now total is equal to total into x. Now this for loop will be executed until the value of I is less than or equal to y, that is the power of the term. Now we use the cout statement. The answer is total. Now let's check the output for this program. Enter the digit 25. The exponential term as 3. 25 cube is 15625. Let's check for a smaller number. Suppose enter the digit 5, exponential term 3. Now we all know 5 cube is 125. Hence the code runs successfully, and we have used the control statement successfully. Thank you.